Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to see how to make this beautiful and cute sling bag. So let's get started.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running.
So these are the things required for making this sling bag. So you can maybe pause here and prepare your cuttings accordingly. So as you can see, I have prepared my main fabric and I have attached the interfacing as well. So now I'm going to prepare the pockets one by one. So this is the ring holder that is going to hold our belt together. So let's prepare the holders now, and similarly we are going to stitch the belt as well. Alright, so now let's make our first pocket of the bag. So this is the outer pocket which will be visible from outside. So what we are going to do is place this pocket fabric upside down, right facing each other, and then place the zipper that we are going to use and mark accordingly.
In the middle of the night.
going to attach two fabric pieces at both the sides of this zipper, which is an optional step, but this will make sure that your zipper stays in place and looks neat and tidy.
Born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch, pedal to the floor, turn that giddy button to a lion's roar. Dream machine, racing queen, I'll take you wherever you wanna go. Let's blow this town, break the speed of sound. Tonight we own the road. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat. Red on the highway, flashing behind.
Now that the opening is ready, we are going to place the zipper from inside and then stitch it on the top.
Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart.
Now close the pocket and stitch it all the sides. Bottom is not required because anyways it is already there. So push the main fabric back and then do the stitching.
Flashing behind me. Dream machine, racing queen, you make my heart beat. You make my heart beat.
Trim off the excess fabric. Now let's attach the internal pockets on the lining material, both the sides.
Hand on the wheel, got my pistons pumping, all 800 horses running. Oh baby, 125 in the middle of the night. Got my
Now let's attach the zipper to the main fabric. Make sure that right side of the zipper is facing the right side of the main fabric.
Let's blow this town, break the speed of sound.
Now place the lining material on the zipper. Make sure that the wrong side of the zipper is facing the right side of the lining material. Similarly, do the attachments for the other side of the zipper.
Born to ride, Mustang 65, got that V8 engine with a fuel injection. Drop the clutch,
Open the zipper and match the fabrics right side facing each other, both lining and the main fabric. Stitch all around, leaving a 5-inch gap at the bottom of the lining material. Cut and remove a square of 3 centimeters on all the 4 sides. Now pinch the material and give a stitch like this. Now the bag is almost ready. Now you need to turn everything inside out. Now close the opening at the bottom of the lining. Now finally attach these ring holders. That's it, our pretty bag is ready to be used. I hope you like this tutorial. If you found it useful, please hit on the like button and please subscribe to our channel to support us, and thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye.